Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Kahn here, business author and speaker. The title of this YouTube video is, what is the one word that could describe the phenomenal investment success of Charles Munger? Maybe I should refresh your minds. Well, most of you probably know who Charles Munger was. He died recently at age 100. But he was the right-hand man of Warren Buffett. He made a lot of the investment decisions. He himself was extremely wealthy, a multi-billionaire. Anyways, before I get into that one word, I'm going to try to make this video short because I don't like long videos. Appreciate if you get something from this video. If you could hit the like symbol, that's the thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. So what is this one word that Charles Munger emphasized? Just one word. And this is the one word right here. Duration. Duration. What he means by duration is investment success, as he defined it, is not for the fast buck artists. Duration means you buy good quality stocks that pay a dividend, that are reasonably priced. They're not in a bubble. They're reasonably priced. Maybe I should define what I consider a bubble. You take the price-earning ratio of the S&P 500. If a stock is selling at a huge premium to the S&P 500, it's getting into bubble territory. So you buy good quality stocks that pay a dividend, have increased their dividend over the years, and you price average it. You reinvest the dividends, dividend reinvestment. Most companies have that. And over time, you use dollar cost averaging, maybe every quarter, every half year, whatever time that is considered appropriate by you, put in some money and buy more shares and dollar cost average it over a long period of time, years. And that's how you make the money. You don't make it by in and out. You can make some money in and out. But the odds of you keep doing it get slimmer all the time. Professionals probably could do it, but even they take substantial losses. So use the investment advice of a guy who made billions, not millions, billions, Charles Munger, a very shrewd and smart man, very shrewd and smart. I wish I had a quarter of his intelligence. And use this one word, duration. Just buy good quality stocks or stock, whatever you can afford, and price average it over time, invest some money in it a little at a time, and make certain you don't overpay for it, that it's not in a bubble. And over time, you'll do phenomenal. Why? Because it's the law of compounding, law of compound interest. It's exponential. This is it. It just keeps on growing. There'll be good years, bad years, but the good years will probably outweigh the bad years, and you'll come out ahead. By the time you retire or get close to retirement, you will not have to worry about it. Anyways, I don't want to make a long video like I said before. So if you got something out of this video, hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all good investment success, and may you prosper throughout the years. Take care now.